Welcome to this CLiCC tutorial. CLiCC's lifecycle assessment projects estimate the cradle-to-gate effects of chemical production. In this example, we'll be looking at the lifecycle inventory estimate module. This module runs a chemical structure through a customizable chemical production model to estimate the basic material and energy required to produce it, as well as the waste materials that are output by the production process. Let's look at propylene, one of the highest volume production chemicals in the United States. We'll start by adding a new project. You'll see Lifecycle Assessment, and then the Lifecycle Inventory option. We'll add propylene with the Add Chemical button. See the video linked in the upper right-hand corner of the player for more details on how that works. Our last step is to complete the chemical inventory by defining some generic production conditions. If you'd like, you can customize these default values to reflect a specific chemical production condition. Let's accept these default values and then see the results. This is the estimated lifecycle inventory for producing 1 kilogram of propylene. We can click here to learn more about the methodology behind the module, or here to export the results table in an Excel file. The results table shows you emissions and inputs alphabetically. Emissions are first. This column over on the right-hand side shows which environmental compartment they're emitted to. Further down, we can see the environmental requirements, or inputs, and which compartment they are extracted from, in the right-hand column. That sums up the typical experience with a lifecycle inventory estimate module. But if CLiCC's reaction database doesn't have the information for your chemical, the process will work a little differently. Let's look at nylon. CLiCC gives us two options to move forward. We could use a proxy chemical. Then, CLiCC will suggest structurally similar chemicals that are in the reaction database, and you can use this LCI as a placeholder for your similar chemical. Our other option is to input the reaction information ourselves. Reactants, co-products, byproducts by mass, as well as the grid electricity and fuel heating requirements. If you're interested in more detail, check out the PDF tutorial on the tutorial page. It's also linked in this video's description. And if you'd like to learn more about other projects, check out these other tutorials from CLiCC.